Oh my god. Hi, buddy. He's like, what the heck was that, Mom? Oh my god. I love them.
Well, why aren't you interested in that? Look at the animal. Look, he's looking at you. Look.
Seamus is like, Mom, do you see this?
What is that? Go say hello. Say hello.
They're so cute. Oh my god. Like charged it for her.
Look. I'm gonna get you. Why aren't you interested in anything?
Seamus is like, Mom, can we have one? These are so cool. They like me. Sea lions are the best.
Oh, that's a seal. Oh, seal lion.
Yeah. Sea lions are smooth. Seals normally have spots.
Start re-editing. Oh.